So, good afternoon. Memorial ay uwi kayo. Again. So, good afternoon, everyone. My name is JC Caballero, and today, I'll be performing in assessing the neurologic and musculoskeletal system. So, first is of course, you need to identify the patient, and of course, we need to introduce ourselves. So, so, sir, what's your name? When is your birthday? And next is we're going to explain the purpose of your procedure or your examination. So, sir, the purpose of this examination is to check your mental status or your cognitive functions, and etc. Then next is we're going to perform hand hygiene. Next is to assist the patient to undress and provide patient's gown. The next is evaluate the evaluate the patient's overall hygiene and physical appearance. Then now we're going to start in assessing the neurologic neurovascular system. First first is we need to sig, picture. So first is we need to assess the patient's mental status, and of course we need to evaluate uh, the patient's orientation to place, time, and person, and of course we need to evaluate the level of consciousness. So sir, may I know kung asa ka karon kay bawo kaon sa oras say asa ka karon sir?
Ako sa
Yeah, asan sa man oras sir?
mas dos.
Ang skin sa man ka sir?
Brian.
Si Brian. So next is we need to access the memory of the patient by immediately recall or the past memory. So, sir, unsa imong gibuhat paggabi sir? Unsa imong gikaon? Oh, ikaon ka ana. Sir, kaila ka sa imong maestra pag grade 3 katong nakalibang ka sir? Nitabang imo. Kaila. Unsa may pangan sir?
Sininya.
Si Nina. Now is we're going to assess abstract reasoning with the proverb or quote such as early bird catches the worm. So sir, kabaw unsa may pasabot sa early bird catches the worm?
An. Sayo makakuha.
So next is we're going to test the ability to understand and follow commands. So sir, kabasa ka niyo.
Yes. Clean na siguro.
Sir, pakpak daw sir katulong. The next is we're going to test for the cranial nerve function. So first we need to assess the sense of smell by using the familiar scent. But first we need to ask the patient to close his eyes and of course occlude one nostril at a time. Next. Then next is we're going to test for shoulder shrug and cheek resistance. Dito ni mo eh. Next is we're going to assess the neck movement. So sir, can you please your chin to chest, then chin to each shoulder side by side, then up, down. Okay. So we're done assessing for cranial nerve function. Then next is we need to ask the patient to identify an object. But first we need to ask the patient to close his eyes. Show me. Pagbayot. Powder di ay. The next, sir, can you please close? Can you next we're going to trace one-digit number on the patient's palm, each palm, and ask the patient to identify what number. Oh, perfect. Balik ta. Very perfect. Sakit. Sakit yun siya. Poster. Then next is we're going to assess for deep tendon reflex. So first, we need to assess for the wrist reflex. It indicates proper nerve and muscle. Okay. Hindi ko comfortable din. Hmm? The next is we're going to test for anticubital reflex. Sir? Kusgunda eh. Di sakit ko sa kong... The next is for the triceps reflex. Ano siya? Sir? Sige daw. Kaupat. The next is for patellar reflex. Sir, oy. Isikit din, isikit din. Kaduhara di ay. Pang-relax ba? Nangaway. So we're done for I know, wala pa. Napay ko an Achilles reflex. So we're done assessing the uh, deep tendon reflex of the patient. Then next is we're going to ask the patient to supine position and do the ano ko eh? And do the stroke the tawag niya eh? Stroke the patient's foot. Hinayon na ako ha. Wala pa gali. Kusog. Sir, ikon ako ha. Ayan na, ari ko mag-una sa paubos. Isukol ba? Toilet paper. The next is for assist the patient to standing position and ask the patient to walk for using his heel of the foot, then toe next. Then next, ask the patient to close his eyes. Romberge test. And with feet together, close then arms for 20 seconds. And assist the patient for 20 seconds. Okay, man na siya. Okay na eh. So now we're done assessing for neurovascular system. Next, we're going to assess the musculoskeletal system. So first, ask the patient to arms forward and ask the patient to And ask the patient to turn his palm upside down. Then next, ask the patient to do this. Na, pangahi. Kaya ako birahon. Uy! Pangusog. Di po ko yung ano. The next is we're going to palpate the patient's fingers, hand, and skin and joints and elbow joints there. Of course, the wrist, the joints. Then next is ask the patient to squeeze your two fingers. Kita ano?
Sige lang.
Then next, ask the patient to a supine assist the patient to a supine position. Then raise the patient's leg one at a time straight. This is Then ask the patient to laterally and medially for abduction and adduction. Ay, sabi. Oh, padapli. Ito bitaw. Ako, sir. Then next, we're going for it that time. Yeah, mag-una ko sa sud. Sige, pasud ka. Then sa gawas. Muliw kang bel. Sige. Pakupot. Sige. Sige. Then pikas. Pagawas. Okay, then assist the patient to a comfortable position and perform hand hygiene and document the findings.